Alright, this is going to be a current update on the Porsche 944 project car. In its current state, it's kind of ugly, but it's going to be good in the next 2 months. So we'll just kind of walk around, mainly focus on the bumper and everything I've done there, the 40 or 50 hours of labor I put into it. Alright, so when the tie rod end came off, it bashed up the fender, so I have a replacement fender on here. You can see it's not in that great a shape. I mean, it's alright. It just has a couple dents and needs to be painted, but it's fitted nice. I'm missing wheel caps right now because one of them broke and I didn't want to run 3. The hood has some waviness. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little high point right there. Like right there, you can kind of see a little it got hit from the bottom, but it definitely has some waviness. I don't know, it's hard to see. But I did get a replacement turbo hood. So that's how she looks with the modified GT Racing bumper that I spent 50 hours making work. You can see I have US turn signals on the car right now. I do have Euro ones, but I couldn't find one, and yeah, I need to find that and put them both on. I made these blanking plates because I only have one of the, or I had 2 driving lights. I cracked one, so I made these blanking plates out of aluminum and then sprayed them with a texture black. As you can see, they got tattered on the rally, and then that little mark right there on the bumper is just where it had a crack in the gel coat, so I dremeled it and filled it with resin, and so that'll be all fixed. I need to replace this fender. I'd like to get a later model without the antenna hole. And you can see right here, it got a little bit, it's a little out of shape, and then it has a little bit of a, it's like cracked in that corner. But you can see the shape doesn't really fit. And then if we move around to my fog lights, you can see I need to work on I need to get some better hardware and stuff still, but I have them mounted from behind right here, and I have 3 places behind they're mounted, and then I have this little set screw here and there, so I need to get some stainless hardware for that, obviously. And then the way the fog lights are mounted, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's so I have like a L shelf bracket coming off of the side there, back there, and then they're just mounted like that, so it's pretty simple. Then I made this aluminum panel right here that attaches to the bumper, makes it stronger. I also have this aluminum panel right there, and that connects to here to tie it all together, so it's nice and strong and won't go flying off the car. And then in here, this, when it came to me, didn't have enough meat right here in this area. It was only like to there, so you couldn't actually put the bolts in and everything, so I had to add all this fiberglass onto that. And then my dad actually made these brackets for me, so we can mount those up really solid and bring this in nice and tight. What else have I done? Oh yeah, one thing I like is the elimination of the reflector, the driving light right there. It's kind of nice. So I guess this is the good side of the car right now. I did recently, it's kind of dirty in here from the rally, but I did recently do the shift knob It's just a ball shifter. It's made for like a Hyundai or something, but it has the correct pattern, and it weighs a little over a pound. I need to zip tie this underneath the boot, but that makes the shifter feel really nice and solid. And I do have a short shifter, and then I have the 944 only shifter up here, and they're both their short shifters in the back. So yeah. I think that's about it though. Oh yeah, I still need to cut the exhaust and tuck it, because with the Euro bumper it sticks out too far. So I need to cut a good 4 inches off of it or so. But yeah, it's coming along. It runs well right now, so that definitely makes me happy. But that is the project update. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.